Hello, parents. So, tonight's homework for math, we have 4 pages. This particular one is called the expanded form. I have showed the kids how to do it. That's why some of it is already boxed in. However, I'm going to go to another problem to show you how I do it in class so that they can do it at home. So, here we have in the green, so any answer in this particular section would be green. And the directions say write the numbers in standard form. Standard form, they know, is already the number form. So, what I've taught the students was when you are doing expanded form, the proper way to do it is digit times place. And what that means is there is a digit, which is the actual number, and it is multiplied by the place value. So here we have 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. And then we're going to add 5 times 1/10. However, when you are multiplying by fractions, it usually ends up as a part of a whole number. That part of a whole number is also known as a decimal. So we will put the decimal after the 3, and then 5 times 1/10 is 5/10. The number that comes after the decimal is always in the tenths place. Then we have 3 multiplied by 1/100th. That usually indicates that the digit is 3 and it is multiplied by a number that's in the hundredths place. When students are doing decimals, it's usually helpful to think of money. So any number in the hundredths place would be equivalent to a penny, whereas any number in the tenths place would be equivalent to a dime. Any number in the ones place or going forward to the left would be dollars. So 3 times 1 gave us 3. 5 times 1/10 is 5/10, and then 3 multiplied by 1/100th is 3. So I'm going to change my color to green here. So the first number that's in the green place is 3 53/100. So now we're going to go to our picture, and any number that we see that is 3 53/100, we are going to color. So we have one here. And that seems to be it so far. So I'll do another one for you so that you can see. So here we have another one. We have, I'm gonna go down here. We have 5 times 1/10. Well, we know that 5 multiplied by 1 gives us 5. However, this is a tenth, which means we're going to be working with a dime. So that means we're going to have a 0 for the ones place because there is no number that's multiplied by 1. We have 5 times 1/10, which will give us 5/10. We have 2 multiplied by 1/100th. Again, we're thinking of the hundredth as a penny. So 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2, but it's actually 2 over 100. So that will be 2/100ths. And then we have this 1 multiplied by 1/1000th. When it comes to money, nothing is smaller than a penny. However, in decimals, the number that is smaller than 100th is a thousandth. So this number would be in the thousandths place, and it will give us 1. So that's 521 thousandths. So as we see here, any number that is under this particular section, it will be white. So we're just going to leave this number here white, as well as this number here stays white, as well as this number here stays white, that number there stays white, and then you're done. So this is how you do the expanded form for 5th grade.